Welcome to Etna, to Rifugio Sapienza and Crateri Silvestri, and this is where we start our trip to find the snow, but there is no that much snow, if you can see. So yeah, I'm wearing snow pants and snow boots and I'm walking in lava basically, so that's life. Anyways, today we're going to search for the snow in Sicily, and I hope we will find some more than this, and I will show you everything and I will tell you everything about where to go if you really want to see the snow in Sicily. Yeah, which is not very famous for this, but as you can see, things happen. Here there's everything. We just came back from the full day of snow and adventures in the snow. In the end we found some, as you could have seen, but to give you some context, if you want to go and see the snow in Sicily, normally you go to two places. Probably there are more, but I mean, me and my friends, we normally go either to Piano Battaglia or to Etna, and this time we're in Etna and we're in one small village over Catania, which is called Nicolosi. I was here actually 5 years ago when I was still a volunteer, so this is very nostalgic. We were just passing today the hotel where I stayed at the time, and it's an interesting feeling. So really 5 years ago I was here and I never knew how my life will turn. So now we're just relaxing after the whole days in Etna Sud, which is like South Etna. Tomorrow we are planning to go to Etna Nord, which is the north part of Etna. It's supposed to have much more snow, but we are still not sure if we will manage or not. In the evening we are planning to go to Catania to have a nice dinner there with friends of my friends, because we are here with the group of friends and colleagues and we are about 10 people. So this is the plan, and tomorrow I hope that we will manage to go to the other side of Etna. Okay, I'm really sorry, my friend is trying to fly a drone outside. This is Mattia. He's flying the drone. So this is the building where we're staying. Okay, so that was real life. I was just sitting on the bed over there and speaking to you in the camera, and I just saw that the drone just appeared in the window. Anyways, we're staying in a very nice place, so I'm very happy with this weekend. This is a weekend trip, as I said, with friends and colleagues, because we all wanted to see the snow this year, because Palermo and like normally the sea part of Sicily, it's not really, like you cannot really see the snow. And this was the idea behind all of this trip. I decided not to film the evening in Catania just because we didn't do anything particularly interesting. But I really wanted to show you this beautiful golden hour in a small town called Nicolosi, right under Etna. And by the way, this is us. next day, as I promised, we went to the north part of Etna. And after some crazy traffic and some searching, we actually managed to find a lot of snow. So this is how we spent all afternoon, just playing in the snow like kids and enjoying ourselves. And after this, there was time to finally go back to Palermo. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. As you can see, in Sicily we have everything. We have the sea, we have the seashore, we have beautiful beaches, we have palm trees and volcanoes and craters, and yes, even snow. Thank you very much for following me on this journey, and see you in my next video. Ciao ciao!